Aromaticity in N-aniline compounds. N-aniline general formula is CnHn, where N indicates number of pi electron. One of the best example for aniline compound is 14-aniline. 14-aniline. So 14-aniline general formula based on that molecular formula will be coming for 14-aniline C14H14. So carbon atoms are 14, hydrogen atoms are 14 and pi electrons also 14. Its structure is this is, and having multiple bonds at alternative position, like so. Total 7 pi bonds are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 means 14 pi electrons. 14 pi electrons will be called aromatic substance. Similarly, example 16-aniline. 16-aniline. Its formula C16H16. C16H16. And its structure will be similar to 14-aniline only, but extra 2 more carbons are introduced. That's it. This is 14-aniline. One minute. Pi electrons are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 8 pi electrons should come. Let's draw once its structure. This is 18-aniline, 16-aniline. Count carbons also. It's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Write a multiple bonds at alternative point. If here is the multiple bond, write it at alternative point. Right. So 8 pi bonds, so that 16 pi electron. 16 pi electron means 4 in rule, which comes under anti-aromatic. Similarly, 18-aniline. 18-aniline. 18-aniline molecular formula C18H18. So in this you will be having 18 pi electron. 18 pi electron means again aromatic. So 18-aniline structure, if you want right now, like this, just place 18 carbons in a ring. You make the ring as you required. So just make a ring in such manner. So like aniline compounds aromaticity will be predicted based on knowing number of pi electron, and the number of pi electron is just that n aniline, no, the n value only is number of pi electron. With that n value only we will be writing its molecular formula. But in this we have an exception. Exception is 10 aniline. 10 aniline. 10 aniline molecular formula C10H10, and its structure will be written this is. Okay, so 10 aniline molecular formula and structure. Here we have number of pi electrons. 5 pi bonds are there, so 10 pi electron. 10 pi electron means a compound supposed to be aromatic. Okay, in 10 aniline we have 10 pi electron. 10 pi electron means this compound supposed to be aromatic, but 10 aniline is non-aromatic. 10 aniline is non-aromatic. Reason, the hydrogens present at this point, these two hydrogens, reason remember sir, hydrogen atoms get repulsion and compound becomes non-planar. So to be aromatic, the compound must be cyclic, okay, with planar, complete conjugation and obeying Haeckel's rule. So it is a cyclic. Carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, have Haeckel's rule also, but species becoming non-planar. Since species is non-planar, it cannot be acting as a aromatic and it is going to become non-aromatic. This is one of the important exception for aniline compounds. 10 aniline is expected to be aromatic, but it is turned into non-aromatic due to losing its planarity due to repulsion between hydrogen atoms. So based on this aromaticity, even we can predict acidic nature of unsaturated system and reactivity of the reaction also towards like certain reactions with some ionic compound. So first we will see reactivity towards silver nitrate, like haloalkanes reaction with silver nitrate to give the precipitation. Here bromocyclopropene and bromocyclopentadiene both reacting with silver bromide and leads to formation of both reacting with silver nitrate and forms silver bromide PPT, pale yellow PPT formation takes. So question is, among this both, among A and B, which forms silver bromide PPT faster? Among A and B, which forms silver bromide PPT faster? This is the question. So to predict this question, you should know aromaticity manner only. You should approach this particular question solving. During this particular reaction, silver bromide precipitation formation purpose, the bromine should come as a Br minus by taking entire sigma electrons. So when sigma electrons are given to the bromine, the charge going to acquire on this carbon atom is positive. in both the species, right? So here cyclopropene cation, this is possible, and cyclopentadiene cation is this one. Now among these two cations, this one is going to become aromatic by having 2 pi electrons, aromatic, and this is by 4 pi electrons anti-aromatic. So this system has 2 pi electron and this system has 4 pi electron, aromatic and anti-aromatic. So which is the stable cation? First one is going to form stable cation. So due to stable, this is stable due to aromaticity. So which is going to form stable carbocation that involves in reaction faster and forms a silver bromide very faster. So what we can write here answer, among A and B, which forms a silver bromide faster means A, that is bromocyclopropene forms faster AgBr-PPT because its cation is stable due to aromaticity or due to aromatic nature, isn't it? And second one is going to become anti-aromatic. We know anti-aromatic substances are unstable and aromatic substances are stable. So first one involves in faster reaction to form PPT, second one goes slow. Okay, this manner you should predict. And even acidic nature also can be predicted with this aromaticity only. One simple example. A simple example is cyclopentadiene and cyclopropene. Which one having alpha hydrogens are higher acidic? These are alpha hydrogens, which is higher acidic. So acidic means they should split into H plus ion. They release into as a H plus ion when they react with metal, isn't it? So first let me take cyclopropene. Cyclopropene, alpha hydrogens are there. In presence of a metal, okay, it liberates hydrogen, consider. So liberation of hydrogen, acidic nature means H plus should come out, right? It completely should come as a H plus. When it is coming as a H plus out, the sigma electrons will be left on this carbon. So you will be getting here a species of cyclic compound is anion, plus half H2. Similarly, cyclopentadiene, alpha carbons also lose H plus ion by leaving sigma electrons on the cyclic compound in presence of alkali metal. So after forming this anion, plus half H2 gas. So for this anion, you should check about stability. In this pi bond, 2 pi electron, a negative charge which involves in conjugation 2 more pi electron. So total 4 pi electrons are present in this. 4 pi electrons is equals to anti-aromatic. Here 2 pi bonds means 4 pi electron, a negative charge which involves in conjugation 2 more pi electron. So it is going to become 6 pi electron. So 6 pi electrons is equals to aromatic. If this is compound A and this is compound B, which is having alpha hydrogens are higher acidic, means A compound alpha hydrogens are higher acidic, because its anion is stable due to aromaticity. So any cyclic compounds alpha hydrogen acidic nature asked, no, just you should remove the H plus ion and check that anion whether becomes aromatic or anti-aromatic. Okay, so based on that you will be able to predict whether the compound is going to become higher. Aromatic compounds are higher acidic becomes, and which forms anti-aromatic becomes lesser acidic. Okay.